The last few pages that we're going to read together today are pages 16 and 17. This section is called the Gas Giants. This is an illustration of the planet Saturn, as you can see here, with its rings going around it. The gas giants do not have a hard surface like the rocky inner planets. So let's see what they do have. Here's another illustration of the four gas giants: Uranus, Jupiter, Neptune, and Saturn. Beyond the rocky inner planets, there are four gas giants. They are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. That's how it's telling us how to pronounce right here. Uranus, and Neptune. These huge planets are made of big clouds of gas and liquid. Gravity pulls the gas and liquid into a planet shape. All gas giants have rings. The rings are made of mostly dust and ice. So the gas planets are made up of gas and liquid, but the rings around the gas giants are made up of ice and dust mostly. So I want you to answer the next few questions about pages 16 and 17 and continue on with the reading lesson today. Thank you and great job.